Welcome back to God's Blueprint. In our last episode, Jacob wrestled through the night, got his hip broken, and received a brand new name, Israel. Now, the sun is up and it's time to face the music. 400 armed men are marching over the horizon, led by Esau. This is Genesis 33, a masterclass in reconciliation, unexpected mercy, and the shocking power of forgiveness. Let's look at the blueprint. Jacob looks up and sees Esau coming. He puts his family in order, placing the servants first, Leah and her kids next, and his favorite, Rachel and Joseph, safely at the very back. But notice the change in Jacob. The old Jacob would have hidden in the rear. The new limping Israel walks out ahead of them. As he approaches his brother, he bows down to the ground 7 times. This is total cultural surrender. He is completely at Esau's mercy. He has no weapons, a broken hip, and no defense. Everything hangs on what Esau does next. But Esau doesn't draw his sword. The text says Esau ran to meet Jacob and embraced him. He threw his arms around his neck and kissed him, and they both wept. It is one of the most emotional reunions in the entire Bible. Esau looks around, sees the massive family, and asks who they are. Jacob says, "They are the children God has graciously given your servant." Esau tries to reject the massive caravans of gifts Jacob sent ahead, saying, "I already have plenty, my brother. Keep what you have." But Jacob insists, uttering a staggering line, "To see your face is like seeing the face of God, now that you have received me so favorably." Jacob realized that the grace he saw in Esau's eyes was a reflection of the grace God had shown him the night before. Esau offers to travel along with Jacob and protect him, but Jacob gently declines, pointing out that his young children and nursing flocks move too slowly. He tells Esau to go ahead to Seir, promising to catch up later. While they part as friends, Jacob doesn't actually go to Seir. He takes his camp to Succoth and eventually settles near the city of Shechem. He buys a plot of land there and sets up an altar, naming it El Elohe Israel, God, the God of Israel. For the first time in his life, Jacob isn't just calling him the God of my father Abraham. He is calling him his God. Genesis 33 shows us that the mountains of fear we've built up in our minds are nothing compared to the peace God can prepare ahead of us. God didn't just protect Jacob. He completely changed Esau's heart over those 20 years. Thank you for joining us for this study on God's Blueprint. If this story of radical forgiveness moved you, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Our next chapter takes a very dark, challenging turn as the family deals with a crisis in Shechem. We'll see you in the next chapter as the story of faith continues to unfold. Before you go, here is today's question. Jacob said that seeing his brother's forgiving face was like seeing the face of God. Is there someone in your life right now who needs to see the face of God through your willingness to forgive them and let go of an old grudge?